Is that good? Eh? Is that good? They love their bread and honey, don't you? They love their bread and honey, they do. Hey? Won't let go of my finger. Hey, you got my finger? You want my... Hey? Yes. Yes. Whoop. Wait. Yes, I know. I know. Oh, it's my finger. That's my finger. Oi. Yes. Oh, that was good. You passed the bit of bread across. Oi. On bread, but we do give them this wild bird mix, this lorikeet and honey eater mix. They love that. That's got all the vitamins in, so they get well looked after. They're funny little things. They hop. They don't walk, they hop along. Come on. Whoop, there's the other one. There's the other one, and there's the third one. There's the third one. Hello? You want some more as well? Eh? I don't know. Come on. Such beautiful colours. Can you count the colours? How many colours they've got? Aren't they beautiful? I've got honey dripping up my arm. Come on in. Eh? Eh? I'll put you down there. I'll put you two down there now. Ready? Go on then. Yeah, go on then, down there.